Once you publish your answer on Quora, it's important not just to leave it there. You do need to do a bit of promotion, especially when you're just getting started, in order to get the word out. So I would encourage you to go ahead and share your answer really across any social media profiles that you've got set up. So I can tweet this out and I can go ahead and view that on Twitter. And you can really see that you get the question there, and then the answer that's tweeted out is there as well. So what you can do is share that out on your social media, or what you can also do is just take the link. If you click this little button here, you can copy the link, and you can really share this anywhere then that you could share this by email to your email list. You could share this out on Facebook. So you can post that directly onto your Facebook page if you have one, or you can share that out on your own personal profile. Another thing that you can do is if you come into Facebook, you can share these answers in Facebook groups. So if you're part of any Facebook groups, you can come in, and instead of just posting the questions directly here, which often groups don't allow you to do, you can actually start to search groups. So if you just use that little search bar, you can search for questions, maybe actually even about more specific Facebook lead ads, which is what the question's about. So you can start to see anybody who's been discussing this. And if we scroll down, even how to generate lead ads, okay, test video, fan pages, ads. So if this was you can see there's 29 comments here. There's people linking off to other stuff that they've done. And what you could do is in the comments say something like, if they're saying what would be an effective way to market my business, you could say you should try lead ads. They're extremely effective way. And then you could link off to your answer on Quora where you've really given more details on that. So that is a way you can do it. One key tip to when you do share out your answers, especially by email, if you've got a warm audience like that, you can say, upvote this answer if you find it helpful, and that will enable you to get more upvotes so you can really climb to the top quickly. So those are a couple of ideas for how you can promote your Quora answers. Just copying the link there and sharing it to your email list, out on Twitter, out on your own Facebook, in Facebook groups. You could share it on LinkedIn, really anywhere you can. But the key point is to enable you to get to the top and get those upvotes and initial views. You do need to go ahead and promote those. So for your own question now, go ahead and start to promote your answers off of Quora as well.